Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Ravemen FR1500 front bike light and the Ravemen CL200 rear bike light. So let's take a look. All right, so taking a look at the Ravemen 1500, inside it comes with the light. You get the front mount adapter. You get the charging cable along with the power cable if you're going to power up your Garmin computers. You get a GoPro style mount for the bottom and then another adapter for the Garmin computers. The CL200, you get the light, you get the user manual, you get some mounting screws and the Allen keys, two types of seat mounts depending on your seat posts, and then you get a rubber strap and then the charging cable. So briefly going over some specs for the Ravemen FR1500. This is for the front light. Max lumens is 1500, max runtime of 60 hours. It has the night illumination, daytime warning, power bank function, and the mount for your integrated computer, like your Garmin's. Side visibility, auto on and off, and it's IPX6 water resistant. It has 6 modes: high, medium, low, warning flashing, a rapid flashing, and a slow flashing. Brightness on the high is 1500, 700 lumens on the medium, low is 300, the warning flashing is 500, rapid flashing is 300, and the slow flashing is 150 lumens. On the high, the max runtime is 1.8 hours, and all the way down to the slow, max runtime of 60 hours. Now taking a look at the Ravemen CL200, this is for the rear. Max lumen is 200, max runtime of 160 hours. Again, multiple mounting options. It has a side visibility, low battery indicator, and the auto on and off, and it also has a brake feature. On the high mode, 20 lumens. On the medium mode, 10. Low mode, 5. Warning flashing is 200 lumens, the rapid flashing is 100 lumens, and then the slow flashing is 3 lumens. And it's IPX6 water resistant. Depending on the mode, on the high mode, 4.5 hours runtime, and then on the slow flashing, up to 160 hours. All right, so looking at the FR1500 a little closer, you can see it's fairly small. It just fits in the palm of your hands. The top, you have the mount point for your Garmin devices. The front, you can see the lights, and then on the side, you have your power button along with the USB-C charge port, and then it can also act as a charge off feature, so if you want to charge your devices or the computer. So very nice, feels solid and well made. All right, so turning it on, we'll just go through the functions real quick, and then we'll attach it on the bike. We'll see it in the daytime and then some nighttime footage. So just hold down the power button. It will bring it to the high mode, and then pressing it again, medium, low, and then it will cycle through the various flash mode. I'm not gonna point it directly to the camera, but you can see the various flash here, and then the slow flash. Now looking at the CL200, again, it's very small, almost the size of like a thumb drive, smooth finish. You have the Ravemen branding on the top, and then on the back you have the USB-C charge port, and then the top here you have the button, and then also to switch the modes you just press it multiple times. So you can see it has a 300 degree light coverage. And then I'll just go ahead and cycle through the different modes. Just hold down to turn it on. So now you're in the high mode. Press it again, medium, low, and then it's gonna cycle through the various flash modes. Now I have the front light installed. It was easy to mount. Just took a 3mm Allen key and then tighten it into place. And then attaching the light, just line it up like so, and then twist to lock it. Then the rear light, I'm using the rubber strap. Depending on your seat post, it comes with the various mounts, but For this installation, it looks like the rubber straps will work better here. So just line it up like so, and then twist to lock into place. Now this is how it looks in the daytime, and I'll also show some nighttime footage. So this is the front light, turning it on. Let's go to the high mode, medium, low, and then the various flash modes. Now this is how the rear looks. I'm gonna turn it on. That's on the high setting, medium, low, and now into the flash modes. So you can see the 300-degree coverage from the side, the rear, and then the other side here. Okay, so here's some night footage with the front light on, with the steady setting, and then also the rear light. So you can see, again, the 300-degree coverage for the rear light. Then taking a look at the front light, you can see the coverage. And this is on the high setting. And then let's go ahead and toggle it. That's the medium, low, and then the various flash mode. Now looking at the rear, I'll go ahead and toggle it. This is the high, medium, low, and then the strobe modes. Now I'll just take it up and down the street so you can get an idea of how it looks. So this is with the front light in the steady mode, and then I got the rear light flashing. Now I'll toggle the front light so it flashes. All right, so this is on the high setting right now. And I'll just toggle the various modes. Now this is the medium setting. Low. And then we'll go through the flash modes here. Okay, so that's a look at the Ravemen FR1500 and the Ravemen CL200 rear light. I've left a link in the description box below if you want to check it out.